Mechanically, the box is 7.6 inches long, 6.7 inches wide, and 3 inches tall, and is made from laser-cut white-infused acrylic. We decided to use acrylic as opposed to, say, PLA from a 3D printer because it has a high durability and it won't melt in the incubator. We used acrylic cement to glue the pieces together as it can also survive in the high temperatures. We wanted the inside of the cell plate enclosure to reflect as much light as possible, and thus we wanted a white reflective surface. Initially, we tried white paint, but that failed in the moist incubator environment, so we opted for the white infused acrylic instead. We separated each of the compartments for practicality purposes. For example, Dr. West's team can easily change the battery while not worrying about disconnecting any part of the circuit. For the light array, we have cutouts for where the excess wiring goes, allowing the LED strips to completely span the top of the compartment. This was done so we could have more even illumination, as there are no blind spots where the LED strips do not hit. These strips were then attached using zip ties because most glues would eventually wear out in the hot and humid environment.
The program is run through an Arduino Nano, which is connected to 4 LED strips. Each LED strip is lined up over a row of wells in the cell plate such that we can ensure even illumination. These LED strips are plastic coated to better prepare them for the conditions of the incubator, particularly the condensation and moisture. The entire circuit is powered by a portable charger, which has a 20,000 milliamp hour capacity. We predict that this will be enough to run the circuit for roughly a week. The programming for our device consists of a series of functions used to flash the LED lights. There are global variables which can change the overall duration of the flashing or the intervals between each flash. The code has been posted on GitLab, so if the researchers wish to make modifications in the future, it will be easily accessible.
One can insert the charging pack through the hinge door on the side and then take the USB and insert it through the port on the box to plug it into the battery and start to power the device. When using the device, one places the cell plate into the box, closes the lid, and it's ready to be placed into the incubator. Here, we have a full view of the device with all the wiring and circuit components where the lights are flashing on and off.